In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or subtract dates in Google Sheets. Calculating deadlines doesn't have to be a headache. You don't need a calendar to figure out what date is 45 days from now, or how many days remain until a due date. Google Sheets can handle that date math for you quickly and accurately. Let's start by finding a future date by adding days to a start date. In your sheet, click into an empty cell where you want the result. Type an equal sign, click the cell that holds your start date, type a plus sign, and enter the number of days you want to add. For example, A2 plus 14. Press Enter. Sheets treats dates like numbers behind the scenes, so adding 14 moves the date forward by exactly 2 weeks. The best part is that it automatically handles month and year changes. If your start date is at the end of a month, the result will roll over cleanly into the next month or even the next year without any extra work. If your result shows up as a plain number or looks unusual, adjust the cell format to date so it displays as a proper calendar date. You can do the same for your start date cell to keep everything consistent. If you already store the number of days in another cell, you can reference it the same way, like key A2 plus B2, and Sheets will still return the correct future date. Now, let's figure out how many days are left until a deadline by subtracting one date from another. In an empty cell, type equals, click the end date, type a minus sign, then click the start date, like equals B2A2, and press Enter. The result is the exact number of days between the two dates, perfect for countdowns and progress tracking. If you see a negative number, that means the start date comes after the end date, so swap the order or update the dates. And if it displays as a date instead of a number, change the cell format to number so you see the count clearly. Finally, here's a pro tip for work schedules. To skip weekends, use the Workday formula. In an empty cell, type Workday, click your start date, add a comma, type the number of days to move forward, close the parenthesis, and press Enter. Sheets will count Monday through Friday only, helping you avoid accidental Saturday or Sunday deadlines. The result is a proper date, so keep that cell formatted as a date for clarity. Take the guesswork out of your schedule with these simple techniques and let Sheets do the heavy lifting. Hit that follow button for more Google Sheets magic.